So last couple months I've been working on a studio installation, and we just got all the wiring done on the walls. We have Ethernet around our facility, and I'm proud to say that after today we have sound through our ME1s, and with a little bit of help of War of Ages I can demonstrate that for you. We've got a number of ME1s around the room, and they are all showing level. We've even got a drum booth with a separated snake, and everything is getting signal. There's our head snake. So we are getting constant good signal on everything, and everything works. We've got 6 of these units here, and it's been a long process, but it is paying off. Have a good one.